This is how hard our camp is. We can't even find it half the time. To the left a bit, I think. Down to the left. Down the hill. There's the door. There's the door. Down here. Down here. There's the door. All right. I think I see it. Yeah, there it is. You see it? Yeah, I'm over here, buddy.
Oh, okay, you're over there. Hey.
Came through the front door. Yeah, here's the hill where I slipped right here. There it is, right there, like bricks there. Gorgeous. Here's the hill. Mini ski hill. Just check right here. There we go. There we go. Like I mentioned before, that's pain in the ass to get out. Usually we come in the boat. The lake's right there. There's a fire. Alright, let's get it going. I'm on fire. We're just going to put up a shelter. All our tarps are in there. I'll get the fire going. We have an awesome menu. 20 centimeters of snow coming. Clocking in at 2:15. 27 minutes, buddy. 27 minutes.
Not bad.
Not bad. Alright, we'll be back. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.